Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. So ayun guys, and ayun, papunta na kami sa aking isang friend kasi may playdate si Hafiza. Hafiza, you cannot wait, right? Apaizi?
Yes, I cannot wait.
You really can't wait.
Yeah.
So ayun, and we're heading to my friend, sa isang friend. Okay guys, so ayun, papunta na kami and see you later.
A few moments later.
Ito na siya sa kanyang friend. Saan si? Ah!
Yeah.
Ayun, see? Ayun.
Hey, Mommy. Let's play now.
Dapat dadalhin niya yung kanyang maths na game. Nakalimutan niya kasi nandun na siya sa ano.
I have two carrots.
What's that, Apaizi?
Okay, it's your turn.
Ah, the one before you're playing. Hey, you drink water. Please, your water. Can you put it nicely?
carrot.
Kanyang friend. Sino
I
siya sa
got
kanya?
two friends.
Yan, may Christmas tree.
Okay.
Ayan, ang Christmas tree. Are you happy,
Two
Apaizi?
carrots
Hey,
again.
Apaizi, are you happy?
I got to try.
Hey, Apaizi, are you happy, Apaizi?
Yeah.
Ah, kita mo. Nalaro na siya, oh.
1, 2, 3, 3. Oh, I got two carrots.
Busy na sila, guys.
Yeah, you
And,
get two carrots. Ready, got two? Yeah. More. Okay.
itong friend ko ay Chinese. Ayan, Chinese sila, guys. Ayan, Chinese.
Silly.
Kaya itong bata ay Chinese. Ayan, Chinese. Friend niya. Ba't kasing edad sila actually? Ako na lang nung araw itong lalaki.
You eat the carrot. Yummy, yummy in your tummy. Get the water.
Nako, pinaprank ko na yan eh. Pinaprank ko na, sabi ko, uwi na tayo. Sabi ko, basahin mo, totoo. Paiyak na siya eh, paiyak na.
It's still too much carrot. It's my turn.
Ayan tayo nilalaro.
Carrot too. You got more.
Tuwang-tuwa.
You get. You get. You get. So many in that. I got a lot. I got seven now.
What happened to you?
Let's play it again. Let's play it again. One and two and three and four and five.
Pensya na gano'n. Hindi lang ko yung tinapay mo yan.
8 and 9. 10. Okay. Eat the carrot.
Sige, ano yung, ate, ano yung sabi mo? Ano meron dyan? Ako magkape?
Yummy. Carrots are healthy for me. Yum, 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 yum. Oh my god, I got some. You got nothing. Carrot. This one is the sharp. It's not. I guess my turn. Two carrots. Oh, my turn. My turn.
Oh, there you go.
I get two carrots.
And then you're gonna feed that one? Oh, you have to spin. And then you're gonna feed the rabbit.
No, you didn't. You got two carrots.
Ayan na sila, guys.
I am red. And I am yellow. No, you two are in there. I'm in there. Hey! So fast. I got two carrots again. Two and two make four. I got four.
Yeah, you need to spin.
You got one carrot. How is it not working?
Now, times 2 is?
4.
Yeah.
It's not all of them. I got two carrots. Oh yeah, you got two. 2 carrots. Then I need. Okay, wait. 1 carrot. Okay.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Ayun guys, pauwi na kami. Tapos na siya mag-play sa kanyang friend. Doon sa bahay ng aking kaibigan, yung Chinese niya na friend. So, ayun, tapos na kaming mag-meeting. So, andito na kami ngayon sa Rimba Point, number 9. Nakain daw siya ng KFC. So, dito ko siya dinaan. At umuulan niya yun, guys. So, baba muna kami ng kotse. Kasi pauwi na kami. So, baba muna ako. And then, bili muna ng kanyang food. So, see ya. Andito pala kami, guys, sa ano. Andito pala kami sa Rimba Point. Tingnan niyo. Ayan guys, nandito kami sa Rimba Point na umuulan. Ayan, Rimba Point. Rimba Point. Ayan guys.
Where's my yellow one?
Umuulan siya. Yeah. Umuulan siya guys. Ayun. Ito kami sa Rimba Point.
Hi guys, it's just me and
We are at